Bosu mwanchu murigaria tutigarita se tariyo yumuraibu ense ya Kenya Muskwile Muruto ritkoria rero niganyara kobaga gotarira hegati ya amagendro nabigochi project hichigendrete a sorgongoroiga anemono niganyara kobari tkoria rero kagoikirana a subwagachi ubugendrete bwe cancer center ase bunge nyari bari chacha se county ya Kisii asanyate kobaga kobeka rige naryo musingi emetiyenyene ya etire kera korete taro ya yabene goikase chinsemechiga muraibuense nigo bono anyara kobaka goichandra okonyorwa ugo kugendera senchirerengia kubwagachi bwe cancer center yo asibona anyara kobaga kuro gotindi ochaso munyakondo yo na kumusaba anyara kobaga kobeke mirobirio yo gochia koene kiabuna cancer center yo nechi goikirana kwagachwa goikira ebirengo biribiganeire gose serikali ya echikwemukege tambukiro yo koriyo munyakonda umuya yorache kwangu yo bwagachi bwe cancer center yo nechi kobakonya abamenyi bense meyiga muri kito Sam Miyenda no report rwa senchire wikirana.
Omurai wense Dr. William Ruto niga sangete nabarai anene mono borogongo rwagusi asomoyega bogochaka umwako moyega oikeranitwe no murugi bo murai wense Rachel Ruto amo nabarai bande
wangu tuje hapa sote katika hafla hii. Wakati nimefika hapa jioni ya leo, wananchi wa hapa wamenikaribisha na nimefurahi sana.
Buna montonde bwensi okrotota emiroberi yaye komanya asia ikeire omurai bwense nigo arototete amagacho bene yokurwaria oborore bwa kansa magacho ero munyene abegeteri genalio musingi kerabwate etara yaye asorgongo rwagusi emetiyenyene ya etire.
In fact, PS issue the last warning for these ones 40 in the next
there's a side meeting.
Yes.
There's a side meeting which has been planned for third. Yes.
Which is 2 days from today.
Yeah.
Right. So in that meeting, who is going to come here?
I think I'll now have to.
Asokumia kwaye nigo obwagachi ubotaraikirana ebirengo biganeirie nonya korengana nere chibesa chonsi chiakaniru chigotenera obwagachi obwe asebono arure ogokurira ogotindigo chia asaba contractor bali batarigo segeta emiroberio ya magenerero.
This is unacceptable. This is unacceptable. So you will get a final warning, my friend, on that. If you don't pull up your socks, I'm sorry. We will have to terminate this contract, get another contractor, so that we can get this cancer center off the ground. It's just as simple as that. There is no fight, there is no quarrel. You just have to do what you have to do. And I will not allow this kind of thing. Because you've been paid all the money that requires. There is no pending certificate. There is no reason whatsoever why this project is not on. So,
Dr. Ruto nigo alire eira yo chigwikirania chira aliyete gochia asaba Kenya naigo tagochigwanchira onde bwensi otari kobwatesia emirobirio ya magenderero gochia ase aba Kenya.
Very many contractors like you who are letting us down, and we will not allow them. This is the year for delivery. This is the year that we must get everything done the way we have planned. We've laid out all the plans. This is the year for between us and them. So just tell your big boss. So PS, you be here yourself on that. Yeah. So
Kuripoteria egetasini kiagetembe TV Nchen Sam Miyenda.